total solution provider for automation and training systems. Festec is an automation expert group that develops, manufactures, supplies educational training equipment and product for industrials related to automation technology. Festec FA department supplies the product that used in various industrial fields, such as shipbuilding machinery, fabric industry, electronic, solar energy, etc. We provide total solution for industry field, from industrial components such as cylinders and valves to industrial production system such as sprinkler assembly line. Festec manufactures educational training equipment related to automation systems. We, Festec, are making a high-value equipment for factory automation system and educational training equipment. The Festec training set is composed of industrial parts which are used in real applications. Festec supply pneumatics, hydraulics, sensor, PLC, motor, MPS, FMS, robot, smart factory training set. Festec solution includes from basic level to advanced level training set for high level control. Pneumatics and electro-pneumatics training set allows for an effective control design analysis and wiring of the circuit. Hydraulics, electro-hydraulics, proportional and servo hydraulics trainer are specially developed to prevent leakage of oil using non-leakage quick coupling connector. The hydraulics transparent models can show the flow of fluid and help to understand the principles of hydraulic devices easily. The sensor trainer was developed to teach the principles and usage methods of various sensors, and they can be used individually or with other training sets. The Festec PLC trainer is produced specifically to meet customer needs. The application modules can be selected and combined to meet training goals. FA applications were developed to improve the level of understanding of apprentices through various applications. Overall knowledge of factory automation, such as pneumatics, electric sequence, sensors, and PLC could be mastered. Festec offers various solutions for motor control technologies. Apprentices can better understand the trends of brand new automation and adapt to industry technology. SMS focus on easy learning, easy training, and easy application to industry, and it teaches system design, assembly, installation, commissioning, and maintenance. SMS includes modules for distribution, testing, processing, indexing, handling, buffer, assembly, automated warehouse, and sorting station. Each station can be used independently. MPS was developed for actual training of production technology and automation systems. Also, it teaches theoretical, practical application of system design, assembly, operation, and maintenance. MPS includes modules distribution, testing, processing, handling, buffer, robot, sorting, pressing, automated warehouse. Each station is easy to add and change, and may constitute a variety of systems. FMS is composed of various automation technologies such as PLC, robot, HMI, SCADA, and MES intended for integration. Smart Factory 4.0 can be applied for a training of Industry 4.0. The system can monitor various manufacturing information made from a factory via integrated monitoring system such as PLC, HMI, SCADA, and MES. The robot training set from Festec is designed for the complex control technology of a robot, which is mainly used in the manufacturing industry. SCARA, 6-axis, and vision robot. PCS is an automatic control system that supervises a plant and process controls the level, flow, pressure, and temperature to maintain continuous operation. Festec's automation technology educational training equipment have been successfully used by being supplied and installed to technical education school, university, company training center in Korea, and many countries around the world. We participate in various exhibition, fair, and seminar in domestic and overseas to understand our customers' needs and apply it to technology. Festec has been focusing on quality improvement and customer service with ISO 9001, CE, and patents. We will always try to tailor our equipment to meet our customers' needs. From basic designs to final products, we welcome customer ideas or suggestions. Your automation solution partner. Festec.